Currently, hundreds of flights have been cancelled in China's Guangdong province and Hong Kong due to the approach of Super Typhoon Saola towards the mainland. This has led authorities to issue a strong storm advisory. In the Northwest Pacific Ocean and the South China Sea, 3 tropical cyclones have developed, including the already named typhoons Saola and Haikui. Another system, called Kirogi, is further from land and is currently classified as a tropical storm. We've witnessed a busy period in the typhoon season over the past week, with more activity on the horizon. The primary focus now is on Typhoon Saola, which has a clearly defined eye and is gradually moving closer to the southwest coast of China, including Hong Kong. This typhoon is expected to be the most impactful one for Hong Kong in approximately 5 years. Following closely behind is Typhoon Haikui, which is heading towards Taiwan. Let's delve into the track of Typhoon Saola. Over the next few days, it will approach the Hong Kong and Guangdong coasts. This region could experience up to 300 millimeters of rainfall in mountainous areas. Afterward, the typhoon is projected to curve back towards the South China Sea, affecting Hainan and the Leizhou Peninsula. Examining the associated rainfall, we can observe significant torrential downpours indicated by the green colors on the map. Hong Kong is expected to experience heavy rainfall and strong winds over the next 24 hours, causing a rise in sea levels by approximately 3 meters, resulting in potential coastal inundation. As the typhoon moves towards the southwest, another storm system is already forming and is anticipated to cross Taiwan, possibly making landfall in a similar region of southern China in the following week. This combination of heavy rainfall, strong winds, and the risk of coastal flooding will result in severe weather conditions across the affected areas over the next few days. As the typhoon approaches, the typhoon warning signal has been elevated to level 9, indicating its proximity to Hong Kong, with a distance of just 50 kilometers, and the potential for closer approach. This situation has prompted the shutdown of various services, such as the stock market, schools, and bus services. The train service is also being scaled back, leading to a citywide lockdown to ensure safety. This shutdown is expected to continue until the typhoon passes and starts affecting western parts of Guangdong province and the southern coast of China. The situation is likely to persist until Saturday, with a possibility of signal reductions based on observations. The aim is to ensure the safety of the residents of Hong Kong throughout this period. In the context of Hong Kong, the typhoon's proximity to the city is a matter of concern, as it could come as close as 40 kilometers. Duration of these precautions is tied to the forecast provided by the observatory. According to their insights over the past few days, the typhoon's effects are expected to persist until at least Saturday. Even as the typhoon moves away from Hong Kong, its expansive reach still impacts the region, making a return to normalcy challenging. The potential for reduced typhoon warning signals will depend on a holistic assessment of various factors, and the possibility of resuming outdoor activities hinges on these developments. Considering the comprehensive measures undertaken by authorities and the experiences of the people of Hong Kong from previous typhoon encounters, the prevailing sentiment is one of nervousness rather than stoicism. The impending typhoon, possibly one of the strongest to affect southern China since 1949, has led to instances of panic buying in supermarkets. As the storm approached during lunchtime, even with a signal advising people to stay home, some individuals still ventured out. The situation has prompted a mix of responses, including jokes and genuine concern. Notably, supermarket shelves are being rapidly emptied, reflecting the level of concern among the population.